Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about one GATE question, GATE 2019, question number 13. So the products formed in the following reaction is or are. So there is a one substrate and they basically heated up and there is three options. Here one trans bond is there and two trans bond is there. Here one cis and two cis bond is there, right? So here two trans, two cis and here one trans and one cis bond is there. Okay. So the correct option we have to find. So for that, we have to know that this is the one question from the pericyclic reaction, and the name reaction is basically the Cope reaction. So in the Cope reaction, we have to first numbering. So that is basically a 3-3 sigmatropic rearrangement. So when we see normally in the system like two double bond, and for that we have to start the numbering like this: 1, 2, 3. Like here 1, 2, 3, and 1 prime, 2 prime, 3 prime. If this type of relationship is there, then there will be a possibility of one dash bond breaking and a new bond will form in between 3 and 3 dash. So the product will be like this. Okay. So the product is basically this. So basically no change in this case. This is a normal sigmatropic rearrangement observed, which is basically the Cope rearrangement. So come to the question. So in this system, there is basically two CH3 group. They are basically switched to each other. So and we have to configure whether our new bond that will form, that is whether cis orientation or trans orientation. For that, we all know that the chair conformation is most stable conformation in the cyclohexane because this type of reaction will proceed through a six-member transition state. So that's why we have there is many possibility like skew boat, chair, half chair, boat. So that but in this case we have to draw our structure in the chair form and that chair form should be most stable chair form, mean most stabilized form. So for that we can redraw like this form like this. So for that let's do the numbering again. So this is 1, 2, 3 and this is 1 prime, 2 prime and 3 prime. So what will happen? One bond will break and there will be possible will form a 3-3 break, 3-3 prime bond. So for that we like do this and this will come and this will form a transition state like this. Okay. And one thing we have to notice that one CH3 group is in axial equatorial position and another group is in axial position. If we flip this ring, I mean this is actually one conformer. If we basically change the conformation, then also we'll get one CH3 group in axial and another CH3 group in equatorial position. That's why this shared conformation is the most stable conformation. Okay. So the reaction will go like this and we'll get the product like this. From this transition state, this is the transition state and we will get the product like this where the one bond will be trans and one bond will be cis. So there will be this is a cis bond and we will get here one trans. So in our question, let's see there is any option or cis one trans. See here both are trans. Here both are cis. Here one trans, one cis. So the correct option will be C. So for more this type of information, you can watch this NPTEL video. Thank you.